What's up, guys? I'm out here in the shop and I had a thought I wanted to share with you really quick, and it's about how you can make money as a woodworker. So for the longest time I thought that, yeah, I'm gonna make these great kitchen tables and coffee tables and end tables and furniture pieces, and while that does happen from time to time, I want to tell you what I've been doing that's actually been the most consistent and the most lucrative for me, and it is cutting out little tiny square blocks of wood. And these are for a local painter. She actually takes the wood that I cut out and she mounts some of her prints to the wood, and she sells them, I think, in a vending machine in the Kansas City airport, and sells them at local art shows. Now, it's not anything glamorous. These blocks are just little pieces of pine, but she orders them in batches of like 100, 200 at a time, so that's pretty good for me and good for her. But what I also do from time to time is create some custom stretchers for her canvases. Stretchers can be pretty expensive if you buy them from art stores and things, and a lot of times if you're doing a custom piece for a client as a painter, it'll be a unique size, so I help her out with that. And I think the moral of the story is not to tell you to go looking for a painter in the area, which you certainly can. I'm sure that you could find somebody that would be happy to work with you and save some money. But the moral of this is that it's not always going to be about making furniture out of walnut and doing really beautiful things. You might have these really practical jobs that are available to you that you might otherwise overlook. So I want to encourage you as woodworkers to get out there and see what little tasks like this you can do to make a buck and eventually fuel future projects, or maybe some new tools or something for your shop. Anyway, how to make money woodworking. Don't shy away from the small jobs. That's pretty much the way that I do it. But anyway, hope you have a great day. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe below. Hit that bell if you want to stay up to date on my videos, get those notifications in. Let me know in the comments if you have special jobs that you do to make some money as a woodworker. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.